I just wanted to come to you quickly today, Amy Sickley again, to let you know about the best loyalty program out there, and it's called Essential Rewards. You get this incredible starter kit. It's called a starter kit because you bought it because you wanted to see life change. You bought it because you thought, wow, I can see potential here. Well, Essential Rewards helps you experience that life change. And it helps you to continually make improvement in your life. Essential Rewards is how I shop and how most of my team shops with Young Living. The first 3 months, you get 10% back in points. From month 4 to 24, you get 20% back in points. What that looks like is free products. There are also incredible promotions. There are incredible shipping rates when you're on Essential Rewards. How we did it at our house, we decided to change 2 things a month. That means our household cleaner or our toothpaste or our mouthwash. We decided to try some new products that were totally plant-based that would change out our life from chemical-laden to plant-based and no chemicals. And we've been able to do it, and I have seen incredible life change because of it, not just for me, but for our whole family. And that's what I want for you. So get on Essential Rewards. There's a graphic that you'll see. It gives you all the information. It is the best loyalty program out there, and you will love it and have life change because of it. God bless you. Have a great day. Bye.